Hey guys, so quick video for you if you're looking for a way how you can crossplay a Division 2 and PC, PS4 is not possible. So PC, PS4 and PC for Division 2 is not possible to crossplay. There is no crossplay or cross-save between Xbox, PC or PC. So just be aware of it. I just want to make this like quick video for you, what you need to know and what are the important things that you have to be aware of. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.